All right. So market's about to open. We're getting very close. So everybody's going to be patient. Wait for your entries. A lot of volume coming in on SOLO. Might be just kind of watching it here. So SOLO still getting hit down right now. Considering a long play on it here, but it's already up very big. So nervous to jump in, right out of the get-go on this. Would like to see it form more, but already getting a massive sell-off here. Well, I'm gonna say massive, but good sell-off. Tesla could be going for a red to green move here, so keeping an eye on Tesla. Yeah, Tesla's starting to do some like red to green move here, so might watch it long. All right, I'm gonna hop in. Just hopped in long on Tesla as it's starting to pop up a little bit. Didn't get an amazing fill. Wanted to get it before it started pushing over 340. So currently in long Tesla. Gonna hold this for a second. Market's starting to pull back a tad bit. Um, so still holding long here on Tesla. Gonna see how it reacts. Might even take it off just because I bought it right up at the high. So if it starts to sell off, which it is right now, I'll be taking a hit here. So Tesla kind of has to stay up above this 339 price. Ooh, there might be a red to green move forming here on SOLO. I might take some shares off here. I'm taking some shares off on Tesla just to downsize. And I'm hopping in long here on SOLO. So just hopped in long on SOLO as it's trying to go for a red to green move. So just added some shares long on SOLO here as it's going for a red to green push. Gonna get ready to sell a little bit. A lot of volume coming in. Gonna hold this. Wow, selling right off on this move already. Pretty surprising. So still holding long on SOLO because it's staying up over $6. Um, yeah, it's starting to break below this $6 price. I'll take it off. All right, getting ready to take SOLO off, I believe, just because it went for the red to green push. Seen a big sell off already. Tesla's still holding up. I'm still holding 100 shares long on Tesla. The market's starting to go green here. Might take Tesla up with it. Still holding long on SOLO. Not liking the way it's looking right now. Yeah, might be getting ready to take this off. Wow, these sellers are coming in hard. All right, I'm all out of SOLO for a $1,182 loss. Red to green move just didn't play into it. Caught it a little high too. Just didn't have enough momentum to keep pushing up. So gonna be starting the day down a little red here, which isn't fun. Okay, so we're getting a nice spike up here on Tesla. Still holding these 100 shares. Just turned green on it a little bit. Yeah, if Tesla can get over 342, should have a nice pop. And then I'm going to look to sell out here just so I can start putting some money back in my pocket on the day. All right, so just took my shares off there on or on Tesla to lock in some money. AMRN with a nice sell off there, starting to kind of bounce back up. Yeah, there could be a nice reversal play on that. AMD with a very, very sharp sell off here. Going to keep a close eye on AMD. TSEM, this earnings play on TSEM, it looks like it's kind of curling around. Might lead towards a pop. So I'm going to start following TSEM for a long. Oh, it's starting to push right now. All right, I'm hopping in long. So I just got in long on TSEM. It's looking pretty, looks like it has potential to squeeze up here. So currently long on TSEM. So letting TSEM pull back here. Yeah, it's an earnings play, kind of consolidating, holding, it's holding a base down here, kind of direction, like starting to reverse to the upside here. So I think we might start seeing TSEM recover a little bit. This is also a pattern that's been forming on the past couple earnings plays for TSEM. It tends to kind of reverse to the upside and it's gap downs. Watch Twitter here. Twitter could be starting to go green on the day. Still holding long on TSEM here. Might even consider adding in some long here. Gonna see what it does on the pullback. So TSEM still holding up okay. So just kind of watching it form. Looks like it's turning bullish. Might even add in some shares long. Add more to the position. Okay, just added a little bit more long on TSEM. Just kind of liking the way it's holding up and curling up and over. So just added some more shares long on TSEM. It's got some pre-market resistance at about 1527 where it's currently at. I do think we could see TSEM up to 1570s, up towards that 200-day moving average. SOLO trying to curl back up and around. Keep a close eye on that. That could do something crazy and hold up and go on a red to green move still. So I still have shares long on the stock TSEM, still holding here. Uh, no real reason to sell out. Yeah, TSEM's trying to, or sorry, SOLO is trying to break over that 650 mark. Keep it on watch. There goes SOLO over the 650 mark. It's going to probably lead to a big push. A lot of volume coming in on SOLO right now. So still long on TSEM, but I don't like the way that candle closed. So might take the TSEM trade-off here, depending on how it starts acting. Yeah, keep SOLO on watch here. This thing might start running a little bit. Yep, there it goes. If it goes over the pre-market highs, it's going to have a nice pop, and that's where if you're long, I would look to start selling into as it kind of breaks over that pre-market resistance area. If it does, that is. So I'm still holding my shares long on TSEM, haven't closed out. Yeah, you're right. It's a little bit lower volume, so it's moving slower. Had pretty good volume when we were first, or when I first entered it right now. So, gonna let it do its thing. As of right now, it's still, a valid trade. Not gonna exit it till I need to. Yeah, if TSEM can keep holding up in this manner, it will probably lead towards another pop. It just has to continue staying green, consolidate a little bit more to the right, and then we should start seeing some movement occurring. Yeah, this TSCM trade's very slow right now. Very slow. But if it, oh, that sucks. All right, gonna have to take the TSCM trade off now here, as it just broke down there. That was a pivotal moment to either push up, and obviously we took the turn for the worse and now to the downside. So gonna hold this for a quick second, because it'll probably pop up a little bit, might be able to get out with a better loss. Pop down right towards that 50 moving average. So gonna see if we get a small green candle up where I can exit. Okay, we're not. So all out of TSM for another loss. So that's going to put us down just shy of 2,000 on the day. So we're going to call it there in terms of live trading. So if you guys did tune in on YouTube, thank you guys once again for tuning in. Do appreciate it. And we'll see you on the next one.